Married woman, they sabi feed the husband. Now, this one for those of an on husbands, they give on money. Know how to cook. Know how to garnish food. Not be everything be head of ice fish and miserable pepper soup. 600 naira, you go create better oil stew. Yes. Tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, oil. Even if na fried fish where another person already fry on one scatter put small boiled egg, boil the rice. Plantain 300, plantain 500 day. Small vegetable soup, small egusi, small banga, small owo, small anything, tea and bread. Even if not be tea and bread, they don't want to put plenty pepper, onions and all those things. Learn to serve your husband food with tray. Not they use your dirty cup till they serve your husband food. You they serve your husband food, it be like food where dog won't shop. This period, that me and married women, upgrade your standards. Side chick, cause they take care of your husband past you way getter. How the man no go look aside?